Alright, it's actually a pretty nice day today. It's supposed to rain beginning this evening or early in tomorrow morning and rain for the next couple of days. Basically, I have got all my pre-staging done to hook up my panels in the back, the ones on the side, the 50-watt ones too, the ones on the top here, which I'm not sure you can see from this angle, the 100-watt panels. And see, I've got this, so now I've got a couple of spots to hook it in. Now, I was going to think about running it back down here, down this little trough all the way back. I still might do that, but I don't have the correct length cable, so I bought a kit so I can cut some MC4 cables. So, at least that's my plan. Anyway, you see that splitter, and so now I've got a couple extra hooks in there. On the opposite side, I put panels on doors, and there's a special problem with it that I realized, and not realized how bad it was. Is doors have to open, especially the ones, this door, which is the main one to enter the van, since my other one is partitioned off. And I have to create this slack up here, and I did put some Velcro here, so I can sort of make it less unsightly when I'm parked. Of course, when I go in, there's nothing I can do about it. But basically now I can open both of these doors. And the slack allows me to actually get them open, smoothly to their degree. And I have to put that length in here to actually get that done. It's just, I'll show it being done sometime. But right now I'm technically working, will be very shortly. So basically what I need to do now is to get some wires from those back to here. So I need to cut a custom length cable or run this 20-foot cable I've got around the world. Now see, I've got to also position this better because it does block a little bit of the panel, and that does affect the amount of power I get off of it, but it is pretty good. I was trying to get this door open and I made this thing too taut, so I got some very short little extensions here. And that allows me to now open this door. The other door I have to, as I said, disconnect that one, which I don't have. It's not locked in. I can just pull this out and then I can open this door. So I'm getting there. So that's basically what I'm going to show you today. I would show you more, and I will show you more probably in another video this evening or tomorrow morning. I'm going to go see the movie Shazam tonight. That's just an aside. I hear it's another superhero movie. Tend to be kid oriented, but heck, I'm just an old, broken down, arthritic kid at heart anyway. In any case, that's what I've got, and I will be back, and I will do more of this. I'm waiting to get my cable kit that I just ordered the same day, so hopefully it'll be here by tomorrow. So usually the same day takes a while, so we'll see if that works, and then I will be able to cut some custom cables and get rid of some of this unsightly slack around here.